If the itchiness of your scalp is not giving you a break, or you are annoyed and embarrassed by those unpleasant flakes on your shoulders, then you are not alone. Dandruff is a common dermatological problem that affects almost half the adult population in the world. In today's video, we will talk about some of the most effective household staples and homemade remedies that really work in getting rid of dandruff naturally. So, let's begin. Welcome to NaturoClips. We bring you valuable information about natural remedies, homemade recipes, and healthy tips and tricks from Grandma's Pantry. Dandruff is a dermatological disorder that affects the scalp. It is related to seborrheic dermatitis, a condition that causes itchiness, redness, and flaky skin. Although it is not a serious problem, those who have it may find it rather inconvenient and may even feel embarrassed or ashamed. Additionally, excessive scratching of the scalp may open the skin, leading to infection. The following are just a few home remedies that you could try. Number 1. Apple cider vinegar. Besides being a delicious salad dressing, apple cider vinegar also has a lot of health benefits, and combating dandruff is one of them. Its natural antibacterial, antiseptic, and anti-fungal properties may alleviate itchiness of the scalp, kill bacteria, and fight infection. Moreover, it can make your hair look shinier and healthier. To implement this remedy, take 1 cup of apple cider vinegar and 1 cup of water and mix them together. Then, apply the solution to your scalp, gently massaging with your fingertips. Let it dry and rinse after 1 hour to enjoy the fresh relief. Number 2. Aloe vera. This plant has been known for its numerous healing properties throughout history. It is particularly useful to treat skin conditions, due to the assortment of healing compounds found in it. One of them is polysaccharide, a substance that moisturizes skin, stimulates its growth, and promotes wound healing. Additionally, the gel inside the aloe leaf also provides soothing relief of inflammation and itchiness. To use aloe vera for the treatment of dandruff, extract the gel from the leaves with a knife or spoon, then apply a generous layer to your scalp, and let it sit for 30 minutes. Rinse it off and wash your hair. Repeat the process 2 to 3 times per week. Number 3. Thyme. The potent antibacterial and antiseptic properties of thyme provide protection against bacterial infections. When applied topically, thyme oil kills skin parasites like crabs and head lice, as well as provides a relief in the treatment of dandruff and other skin fungal infections. To try this remedy, mix a few drops of thyme essential oil to a regular shampoo bottle, and wash your hair as usual. Alternatively, you can try washing your scalp with thyme tea instead. Apply the tea when cool to a dry scalp and do not rinse. Number 4. Rosemary. Similarly to thyme, rosemary's antimicrobial qualities aid in the treatment of dandruff and other scalp diseases. The compounds present in rosemary are useful controlling seborrhea and calming irritation. What's more, applying a few drops of rosemary essential oil to the scalp will encourage blood circulation in the area, stimulating hair growth. To treat dandruff, take the same approach as mentioned in the thyme remedy. Mix a few drops of rosemary essential oil to a regular shampoo bottle, and wash your hair normally. Alternatively, combine 3 drops of rosemary essential oil with 1 tablespoon of a carrier oil, perhaps olive. Then, massage into the scalp and leave for 15 minutes. Wash with regular shampoo. Number 5. Oregano oil. The oregano plant is well known for its ability to fight bacterial and fungal infections, inflammation, and pain. Oregano is one of nature's most potent fungicides, which makes it very effective in the treatment of dandruff. So, to try this remedy, mix 3 drops of oregano essential oil with 1 tablespoon of a carrier oil, perhaps coconut or olive. Use it topically by applying the solution to the scalp. Leave for 15 minutes, and wash with regular shampoo. Caution: pure essential oils may be skin irritants, so never apply them pure, and use with moderation. The final takeaway is that dandruff is a skin condition that affects the scalp. Although it could seem challenging to deal with, the solution might be found in your kitchen's pantry. Whether you try apple cider vinegar for its natural antibacterial properties, or oregano for its potent antifungal qualities, there is for sure at least one homemade remedy that meets your needs. Have you tried any of these remedies? Let us know in the comments section. If you enjoyed the video, then give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel for more healthy tips and tricks from Gramma. Thank you for watching.